first set our intention by sitting straight. Whatever you're doing, I want you to stop doing that and let's give ourselves full attention to this program and sit straight and let's do 1 minute of our intention setting for the program. Back straight, hands on your lap. Take a deep breath. Let's take a moment to honor ourselves for being here today. Gently shake your hands, releasing any energy that no longer serves you. Please focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With each breath, allow yourself to feel present, open, and receptive. With one more breath, take your time to open your eyes. So let's start with setting our intentions for this program from 21 days. So have you listened to the video I've shared? 2 videos I've shared on the program. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah, we can write it down also if you have seen it. It is very important to see the introduction video because that will help you to how to go in next 21 days challenge. So number one was the step ladder approach, if you remember. Yes? So let's all revise if what you who have watched this. What are the how many principles were there in the introduction video? Can anyone tell me? 7. Excellent. Thank you, Avdesh. Thank you. Yeah. So number one was, let's quickly recap it. Or you can just randomly explain, tell what you got from set goals. Okay, thank you. Next, step ladder approach. Tasks should be easy. Anyone remember this thing? What we discussed in our intro video? Reward yourself. Excellent. I'm very proud of you. You are taking interest and recap this whole introduction also. So number one was we should always take a step ladder approach. What do you mean by step ladder approach is हमारे को अपना task छोटे छोटे task में बनाना चाहिए. Like don't say you are doing it for 21 days. Let's work for 7 days first. Is that makes your life easier? So let's take this challenge for 7 days only. So what was your today's task? Can anyone write it on your this thing? Thank you, Winnie community. What was the task for today's? Color your diet. Excellent. So this week we will concentrate on how to do colorful diet, multiple color diet. Excellent. So let's lay foundation for your gut health. What we have to do, we already know what is good and what is right for our health. And you know where the failure comes. 90% of diet plans of our programs fails because lack of implementation. So today we will work on how to implement what we are learning this week. So time for take action to implement. Like we always say कि we are busy, we can't do this is very difficult to follow. And have seen the study of Shilpa Shetty. You know Shilpa Shetty? Yeah, thank you. So Shilpa Shetty की मैंने live जब study करी, she is a busy influencer, she is a celebrity, homemaker, mother, and she is handling so many tasks. But still, she had maintained her figure, her lifestyle, she was suffering from thyroid, multiple of disease in her young age, but she took the holistic approach to balance of lifestyle with habits formation. तो मैंने जब उनकी लाइफस्टाइल स्टडी करी, she really inspired in transforming my own life, which I will tell you how to build your own lifestyle with your unique approach. Every person is a different approach, so we have to make our own lifestyle. So for this, my mission is to help you towards healthier lifestyle, not towards restriction, and to educate you, empower you, elevate, to create a medicine-free lifestyle. I just don't want to give you a fixed lifestyle plans, but to explore you also, educate you also, so that you can twist and turn whenever it is required according to your circumstances, according to your need. And my solutions will be just within you, within your own kitchen, within your own house, within your own body. So everything will be simple, which is ancient and which has science backed this thing also. So let's set the rule for this, how we should be going about. So this is a limited time. We will be here for 40 minutes. And I will request you all who haven't put on the video mode to switch on the video mode for a better experiences. And we are a community together. I want you to all to support each other with your experiences. This group will be open on Saturday. So share your experience. Even after this, also people who haven't joined the live program. So let's motivate everyone to join the program. And in this, when I'm taking this session, you may have something which is enlighten you. Take a paper pen and write it down. हमें लगता है कि हम बाद में लिख लेंगे, हमें याद रहेगा, बट आजकल मेमोरी ऐसी हो गई है. सो कीप टेकिंग योर नोट्स and I will take your question and answers, whatever the doubts or questions you have about this program and about this approach. And there's a disclaimer, this is just for education purpose. This is not a treatment for any illness or your treatment for your chronic illness. So for any medical condition, consult your health practitioner. And this is a lifestyle program for education basis. Is this clear? Say yes, is it clear? So I don't want you to make any this thing to leave your medication
Yes,
or
yes,
this is
yes,
something I'll substitute to your medicines or doctors. There's a study done which has shown that ways to lose weight and hypothyroidism, or dietary change, physical activity, and stress reduction. These three things are very, very important when we are taking care of our health or reversing our disease or even losing our weight in a healthier manner. So I will help you to maintain your healthy lifestyle habits. First, we will follow for 7 days and then we will work for 14 and then 21 and then make it a lifestyle habit. So if you don't know me, I want to introduce you I'm a Twinkle Counsel, your gut expert who support you in creating medicine-free lifestyle because I suffered myself from multiple of disease, from sleep desk, from migraine, sugar craving, depression also. So I became a lab of experiment and did my certification course from New York because I'm a science-based logical mind. I believe what is proven in our science, but I combined this with our ancient wisdom, which is very much rooted in our India. And this transformation gives me not only the health, energetic, but a happiness which I can retain it throughout my day and in my lows and ups, in my own household duties, because I'm a health coach on a second this thing, but homemaker and wife of. I'm a wife and I have two kids which I look after. So as a woman, we play multiple of roles. And I believe we should have some lifestyle habits and shift our mindset also. हमारा mindset होता है which doesn't allow us to perform or to believe this is true because we are so much bombarded with misinformation or overloaded with social media information. So I want to give you what I've experienced with my 8 years of this into this wellness industry and treating 1,500 of clients. So let's go ahead with this. So if my brand is Health and Heal, and my certification is from New York. And this is more about my this and why this program is unique. What you will get is integration of your Ayurveda, mindset shift, and science-backed knowledge from my education. And I will be sharing with you day one today. We will discuss about what is there in your day one. This thing day one we just took this Eat Rainbow, and you must be wondering how to do this Eat Rainbow. Let's target only on Eat Five. Eat Five means two different colors of fruits and three different colors of your vegetables. Aloo, dal, paneer, they are not vegetables minded. So we have to concentrate on different colors of fruits. So like every color, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all days are different. So choose your colors also to different. If you are in India, we all follow वार सोमवार मंगलवार बुधवार एंड वी हैव सम इस डे पे हम येलो पहनते हैं उस डे पे सैटरडे को हम ब्लैक पहनते हैं यू कैन सिलेक्ट योर फ्रूट्स एंड vegetables also according to it. Deeper the color, it's better. And someone asked how to do grocery. Whenever you're doing for your vegetable shopping, look at the sabjis and your fruits. Whatever is seasonal, pick those. Pick one extra different color of fruits or vegetable whenever you go for your grocery. This way you can have seven different colors of fruits and vegetables. Why I'm asking you to have different colors of fruits and vegetable? Because our gut has 300 trillions of bacteria and they need different color, different vitamins, proteins, minerals, micronutrients. So this it needs variety. तो जितनी आप वैरायटी इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे योर गट विल बी हैप्पी यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विद इन इवन 7 days. आफ्टर 7 days आज आप अपनी कंडीशन देखो एंड यू रिविजिट योर कंडीशन आफ्टर 7 days इफ यू स्टार्ट हैविंग 5 different colors of fruits and vegetables. Yes, Rachna, please hold on your question. I will answer this. This is a nice question. We will answer it at the end. Thank you for your question. Whenever you look at your plate, whenever you are eating, is your plate colorful or not? This is very, very important. You should look into it. वरना हमारी कभी कभी होती है, we are just putting some rice or bread or roti or dal. Everything is bland, white color, brown color. So our plate should look a very colorful plate. And if you are all welcome to share your plate once a day, what your plates look like. And don't go for cold storage of fruits or vegetables, whatever is seasonal. Abhi winters are in India, methi is there, peas are there. This is local, so go for it. Abhi apples are in. Jab summers chali jayenge, apple will be not there. So go for seasonal fruits and vegetables, and go for some saute vegetables. Saute vegetables, they are not overcooked. When we are overcooking our then vitamin, especially vitamin B12, get destroyed. So do some little bit of saute vegetables. One bowl of saute vegetables can cure your disease in 90 days. That's proven. That I've seen with my so much clients. Whatever is retained with them, whenever I ask them after their program is done with me, they say eating saute vegetables helped us a lot. And I will give you everything together if you want to take a picture, and you can take your notes also. And second this you will be concentrate on movement. हमें लग रहा है कि हम चल तो रहे हैं, वी आर डूइंग इधर उधर चलना, घर पे चल रहे हैं. No, that doesn't count because this is a stressful walking which we are doing. I want you to concentrate on focused walk. And if you are already walking, do a little bit of brisk walking where your heart starts pumping little bit louder. Varna, we are walking and we are talking to phone or listening to iPod and not concentrating our breathing. Yoga, that's why yoga is very, very beautiful. I see immense benefit of yoga asanas. So yoga will align your body, your breath, your mind, everything. It's a unity of everything. In fact, Heartfulness has a beautiful yoga sessions also. If you want, you can enroll with them. And strength training is very, very important, whatever age you are in, because this will strengthen your muscles, your bone. हमें लग रहा है कि we don't have to pick up 5 kilos or 10 kilos of weight. Even 2 kilos of weight is good enough. Even our own body weight is good enough. Yoga has so many asanas which we have to just hold. Let's all try this. Let's hold for 10 minutes like this position. See how comfortable are you at holding your own body posture. You can put your video on. I want to see how you are holding your posture. Thank you. Yeah, your time starts. I've put the timer. Let's see how much time you can retain this position. Yes, excellent. Let's see. I'm counting. I'm seeing how many can retain this position. 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, excellent. 1 minute. You can put your hands down. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing this experience. Can anyone can unmute Manisha Sandhya? Can you unmute yourself and tell me how did you experience holding this posture?
Yeah, so it wasn't that easy. I had to tell myself, no, you can do it. Let's keep doing it. So, but mind always, my mind kept telling that I wish I can put down.
So look at this. We think कि हमें ये 5 kilos or 10 kilos of weight हमें weight training will help us. Even we can lift our own arms also for 1 minute. So this is the strength of our muscles. And we think we are aging या age के साथ हो रहा है because we are not using our body has more than hundreds of muscles and bones, and we must be using just 1/10 of those. And then suddenly we have some fracture or muscle tear or tender tear because we are not making it stronger. To make them stronger, take one body part each day and make it little bit more stronger. Whatever practice, whatever, because this is a very foundation program, so I won't be giving you much support on this, how to create this strength building in my advanced programs I do have. But whatever you are already doing it, do it more sincerely. Try to hold your posture. Whatever posture you are, try to hold it. Don't hold your breath, just hold your posture and keep breathing. And you will see yourself how your mind resists to doing your activities. And look at it and let me know how you feel after. So this is called resilience. अब हमारा mind ना changes को allow ही नहीं करता. It just loves to be in comfort zone. So we have to train our mind to push ourselves to live our life transformed, to live a life we deserve to live, not a compromised lifestyle. Yeah. Will you do it? Will you practice it? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wonderful. So tomorrow we will all work on building our movement better with more focused. Start with 5,000 steps daily, and I have given you levels also, and I will give you the in the PDF form all this thing. Go through it wisely. इसको आप चाहे daily, it will just take you 3 to 4 minutes to read this, and then it will take time for 5 to 10 minutes again to implement it. So start with 5,000 steps, then work to increase the walking speed. Whatever speed you are doing it, decrease your speed to 30 minutes and increase your speed. अपना टाइम ड्यूरेशन आपका कम हो जाना चाहिए एंड लाइट बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेस लाइक वी जस्ट होल्ड इट राइट नाउ and incorporate strength training or light jogging and aim for 30 minutes and then slowly progress. As I mentioned in my intro, take a step ladder approach. You don't have to rush it कि मुझे एक ही दम सब कुछ करना है. Set a realistic goal. ऐसे ना हो कि your goal should be you are able to do it 7 days. Don't target कि मुझे अभी 1 hour के लिए I have to do it. You can target for 20 minutes, you can target for 10 minutes, and daily you can do the progress. Don't focus कि you have to एकदम you have to jump it. जब हम jump कर जाते हैं and it just go like this. So that's why I'm giving you 21 days support. Because all disease begin with our gut. This is proven, and we don't focus on our gut. The movements will help you to give your muscles, the intestine, the much required exercise, the movements. When we are sitting, we are not using our muscles. हमारा क्योंकि हमारा posture, how many of you are slouching and sitting? We are just being lazy. हम इधर बैठे हैं. We are not using our core muscles also when we sit. So we are not using our stomach at all. That's why we are these days, number one problem is the gut problem. So let's focus whenever we are sitting, sit straight and keep your spine straight. Don't slouch. Number 3 habit we will work on is drinking early morning 500 to 1 liter of water. Are you already drinking water empty stomach? Yes, no. Yes, Narayana said, Vibhu said yes. Yes. Okay. Are you drinking 1 liter, half liter to 1 liter of water? No, sometimes. So you can ask me why we need to drink so much water. और मेरे से पानी तो even 1 glass में मुश्किल हो जाता है पीना. Is it that? Anyone of you are finding it difficult to drink 1 glass of water in the morning? It's an interactive session. There is nothing. We are not giving any marks or anything. No. Mayank, no. Can you guess why we need 1 liter, at least 1 liter of water in empty stomach? If you know this answer, you can unmute yourself and tell me. Free motion. Okay, thank you. Cleanse. Clear our gut. Excellent. Clear the stomach. Cleanse. To activate our system, Avdesh. Thank you so much. You're very much aware. I'm so glad of you, and I want to applaud you for. So, हमारा जो intestine है, this is a very long tube, and which is very tightly packed in our small body. And this must be. एक तो I'm very bad with
Yes,
figures.
it needs to be plain water, or it can be with the lemon or something. It is also fine.
Sir, to start with, don't make your life any complicated. Methi pani, jeera pani, lemon water, just simple pani ही हमारा, it's a solution for everything.
Okay, but if we are taking it lemon
Yeah.
already, then shall we remove that lemon, or we'll continue with the
Yeah,
lemon?
remove the lemon and let's have this, keep on writing your question answers. I will take in 15 minutes all the question
Oh,
answers.
okay, sorry, sorry.
No, that's fine. So we will take the question answers for sure. So why we need 1 liter of water in the morning is because we have fasted throughout the night. We slept for 8 hours, 9 hours, 7 hours, and our intestine gets accumulated with too much of acid when it is empty. So to flush out those toxins in our gut, those acid in our gut, and our intestine is approximately 15 to 16 feet long, and itna pani usko at least chahiye to flush it down. And we have a glass of water and then we start with our coffee, chai or something. So try this and you let me know how you feel after drinking 1 liter of water in this morning. And don't start if you're not drinking, you're not used to drinking 1 liter of water first thing in the morning, you can start with half liter also. And if you find it difficult to have even half liter of water, you can start with 1 glass. But then progress step by step. Don't stop yourself to 1 glass of water. If you're comfortable with 1 glass, move to second. If you are comfortable with second glass, move to third. What I practically do, I believe in practical solutions. Don't want to make your life complicated. क्योंकि complication I know बहुत हो गई है and बहुत confusion हो गई है. So to have bedside पे lukewarm water एक अपने flask में रख लो and have it first thing in the morning. As soon as you open your eyes, but just pour it and just apna drink kar lo. And then you will see how fresh you are in the morning, how you are able to clean your system, how your mood is better, how your digestion is better. This one step will transform your energy level to next level. Will you do it? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. My solution is to remove and replace. I don't want your life to कि ये भी खत्म कर दो वो भी खत्म कर दो. Till now, solutions are easy to follow. These three solutions, are they doable? Thank you, Namita. Thank you, Samita. Thank you, Ajay ji. Kamakshi. Thank you so much. So these three things. So let's start it from this. And now fourth is even easier. Start with 12 hours of fasting. We are always thinking about क्या पानी पिए, क्या खाना खाएं, किस टाइम क्या कर लें. We never thought our system needs a break. Our system needs a break to repair it also, to reset it also, to clean the toxins which have accumulated whole day. So how to do it? With 12 hours of fasting. इनफैक्ट हमारे पुराने ट्रेडिशंस में जैनिज्म में दे ईट देयर फूड बिफोर सनसेट. इट वाज imprint in their lifestyle. It was ingrained. They don't have to work on it. But with our modern lifestyle, with sleeping late, waking up till late, and then with so much information कि सुबह नींबू पानी पी लें, धनिया पानी पी लें, पुदीना पानी पी लें, so we get so much confused. I've seen one client came to me and she was having while having Zoom call, so she was having पहले 1 मिनट ट्विंकल रुकना, she had one drink, and then after 5 minutes 1 मिनट ट्विंकल रुकना, she had charamprash. फिर after 5 minutes, oh, I forget my lemon water. She had lemon water. So she was so confused कि उसको पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि one after कि मैं कौन सी चीज मेरे सूट कर रही है, कौन सी चीज नहीं सूट कर रही. So with my one-to-one counseling, I explain them how to choose your own lifestyle. Then I help them to make their tailor-made lifestyle and dietary plans that is suiting to your own need, to your own disease, towards your own goals. हमें सब कुछ we start feeling कि देसी घी भी अच्छा है, ऑयल पुलिंग भी अच्छा है, चरमप्राश भी अच्छा है, क्या सुबह जूस भी अच्छा है. How we should start our day and how we should end our day, we are making life ours so much difficult. Practice 12 hours, you won't drink or eat anything except water you can have. And if you're already doing 12 hours of your fasting, move to 14 hours. And if you're comfortable to 14 hours, by end of this, I want you to be comfortable with 16 hours of fasting is ideal time. We should give our stomach a break. And 8 hours of eating window where we will have our food, nutritional food. Are we in for 12 hours of fasting? Thank you. Thank you so much. What will this fasting do? This will reset our system. This will give a repairing to much needed repairing. हमारी स्किन सैग कर रही है, हमारे हेयर होते जा रहे हैं, ब्रिटल होते जा रहे हैं, नेल्स खराब होते जा रहे हैं, स्टमक खराब हो गया, डिजीज स्टार्ट हो गई हैं, कोई ना कोई स्किन पे रैशेस पता नहीं चलते, कभी भी बर्नआउट्स हो जाते हैं, एंड देन वी सी बेली फैट हमारा निकलने लग गया है. So we can't know what are the root causes. So it was in our tradition to fast, even Somvar fast, Ekadashi fast. So they were fast, पर अब आज फास्टिंग के नाम पे फीस्टिंग शुरू हो गई है. We get all kind of fasting food in market now. Haldiram has thalis. So there you are so much this thing now. You stop having fasting and you start feasting on your fasting days also. So I will guide you in future, Abhi, in next session, how to do effective fasting also. So that I will train you. So next is general. जब तक हम अपने लिखेंगे ही ना हमें नहीं याद रहेगा व्हाट हाउ वी स्टार्टेड. आपको अभी लग रहा होगा कि दिस इज डिफिकल्ट. फिर आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपको लगेगा या आई वाज एबल टू ड्रिंक liters of water. I was able to have fasting. I was able to drink water throughout the day. I was able to eat 5 colors of fruits and vegetables. So see yourself where you are right now and then reflect daily at night. For this, I'm giving you a format which you can follow it. And let's do the checklist now. I want to write it down, whatever you we learned today, for what 5 habits we will form this week. You can just write one. For rainbow, you can write R. For fasting, you can write F. For movement, you can write M. Whatever is your focus, which you will put more effort. Water, thank you. Water and fasting, thank you, Samita. 1 liter water. Movement, excellent. Fasting. Rainbow fasting, thank you. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shanti, Rainbow Plate. So let's recap this checklist. Eat rainbow, 5 colors of fruits and vegetables. Hydrate yourself with 1 liter of water first thing in the morning. And I will give you the recipe how to make your alkaline water also tomorrow. I will share it on the group that you will prepare fresh with fresh fruit, fresh leaf, or anything fresh. Just put it whatever you have and don't keep and prepare it. ऐसे नहीं है कि रात को फ्रिज में बना के रखना है या अर्ली मॉर्निंग बना के रखना है. प्रिपेयर इट एंड स्टार्ट हैविंग आफ्टर 1 hour. And then fasting for 12 to 16 hours and then reflect on your journal. So that way your gut will be fresh. Stay fresh and your gut will thank you forever. And for this, you have to trust the process. Don't doubt it कि होगा कि नहीं होएगा. Definitely it will happen if you will do it with commitment, with focus, with daily actions. And this assessment form, I hope everyone has filled the assessment form. You can see how is your bloating level right now and then reflect it every Sunday. Someone is putting some sketch pens on this. Please stop it. How's your bowel movement? आपका smooth है? Are you finding it difficult or you need some chai, coffee, something to drink? हम हमेशा ये biomarkers के लिए ना we go to doctors, we get our blood test done, ultrasound done, MRIs done, but this is our own internal body which tells us so much. We stop listening to our bodies.
तो 5 मिनट पे करेंगे.
Are you asking me? Okay, we stop listening to our body's signal, what our body is telling. How is our acidity? Do we feel burping after having food? Or how's our energy level? Do we need some protein shake or some supplements to feel energetic, or we are energetic throughout the day? How is the stress level? How is the sleep quality? Sleep quality means when we sleep, it will take just 5 minutes to sleep. And within 5 minutes, we fall off to sleep like a baby. And जब सुबह हो जाए तो बेबी की तरह we are jumping out of bed with full of enthu. वरना हमें लगता है कि oh my God, what again a day we have to go to work या फिर सब्जी decide करनी है. So we are all thinking about all those things. So how is your sleep quality? What is your weight loss goal? How often you fall sick? How's your mood throughout the day? Are you excited? Are you hopeful? Or you're feeling lethargic? What is your water intake? How often you exercise? And what medication are you taking on a daily basis or on a weekly basis? How much medication you're taking right now? And then after 3 weeks, you can see how's your health after this thing. The reflection is very, very important. And we just had this goal card with us. How to set our goals. Like if you're having, let's say I'm having sleep issue. I want to improve my sleep quality. So I will set a goal. I want to improve a sleep quality by putting a sleep alarm before 10:30 a.m. Our goal should be very specific, not a very generic goal. If we don't know our goal, we won't able to reach the destination. Let's say if you are having bloating, so you say, I want to improve my bloating by having colorful fruits and vegetables or by having 12 hours of fasting. What steps you will take to improve your bloating? So this way you will able to achieve your goals faster. If you are having energy issue, I want to improve my energy by working out 20 minutes daily, by strength training, by drinking early morning water. So this is the way we will define our short-term goals. And then long-term goals, if you're having some thyroid issue, some food allergies or diabetes or cholesterol, whatever chronic illness or lifestyle illness you have, menopausal issue or mood swings, so you write it in your long-term goals. So write down what are your goals, then I will help you how to achieve those long-term goals also if you are suffering from any illness. Got it? And now we will take up now question answers. Now this group is open for question answers.
I wanted to ask one question. This colors which we are going to have in our plates, which is meant for all the meals, or how about means breakfast, lunch, dinner,
So
or it is mixed across this?
Thank you, Ravi. That's a good question. So this rainbow approach. So first we are starting with step one. So step one is throughout the day, look at your are you having two fruits a day or not? Okay, and then look at your whole day plan. Are you having at least three vegetables or not? एंड टमाटर हो गया प्याज हो गया जिंजर हो गया दे डोंट काउंट इट एज द मेन वेजिटेबल्स काउंट लाइक योर बीटरूट स्पिनच beans your colorful fruits vegetables as your vegetables carrots deep cabbage purple cabbage आजकल काली गाजर आ रही है so count these as your main vegetables. So to start with, so are you, Ravi? I want to ask you: are you already having any kind of colorful vegetables?
Yeah. Means like lunch, we have one fruit
Hmm.
and salad that is there. At least three, four is there in the lunch.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, and but then we have fruits in the evening, and at the time of dinner we again have the salad. But then it is spread over like that. It is not in one meal. Everything is there.
No. You can spread it out. That's excellent. So it's if you're
Okay.
already having, that's good. And second step you can do is alter it for next like Monday. Today's Monday. You had these two fruits, and second day you can shift to some other fruits.
Okay.
Like papaya, anar. So
Yeah.
keep on switching your fruits. So sometimes I have my clients they ask me, yeah, Twinkle, I'm already having fruits. What fruit you are having? Daily I'm having banana.
No.
To
Okay.
bring
Yeah,
variety.
we go with the seasonal fruits. Actually, at least two, three varieties are there in a week, like
So,
that. Yes.
so introduce seven. There are so many now these days fruits are so many fruits are there. Chiku,
Yeah.
guava, papaya, anar,
Yes.
apple, kinu. So go for different colors of your fruits.
Okay.
Buy more variety to your fruit. And same applies to your vegetable soil also.
Okay.
Traditional vegetables are leaving this जैसे बथुआ हो गया and basil हो गया something very traditional परमल हो गया so go for more variety of your vegetables.
Okay.
I hope you got your answer, Ravi.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone
And
else?
ma'am, I have a question. Is this fruits and vegetables supposed to be taken raw as a salad, or can we cook and have?
Yeah, who is this? Harpriya, can you put your video on?
Yeah, just a second. Yeah.
Yeah, Harpriya. So that's a good question. If you're already having some compromise, are you having any gut issue?
No.
No. If you don't have any gut issue, then you can have raw vegetables. If you have some compromised gut, then you should avoid raw vegetables.
What is a compromised gut? I mean, as of now, I don't feel anything, but then probably in the morning, my fingers are slightly swollen, but in the afternoon time, evening time, it gets normal. If it is counted as bloating, then
Yeah, this is counted as bloating.
okay.
I
So,
have a question, Bhabhi. Hi,
yeah, who is this?
this is
Ah,
Mona, Bhabhi. I have
hey,
a
just
question.
a second. Harpriya, I answered your question. You got your answer? Okay.
Yes, you
Yeah,
did.
Mona.
And I am then switching over mostly to the cooked food, other than maybe cucumber or something like a salad,
Yeah, that's better. Yeah,
and more fruits, basically.
absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Mona.
Yeah, Bhabhi, I have this water retention issue.
Okay.
Like if I, like my doctor told me, if I'll have more than 1 liter of water, then it might cause water retention in my body, and the blood pressure rises. If I have a lot of, if I have this retention, then the blood pressure rises. So I take diuretic for that. So if I take a lot of water, then it's gonna cause me a problem.
So, Mona, for your case, this needs little bit personal attention. So, I'll fix a one-to-one session for that because this is some chronic illness which I can figure out from your situation. So,
Right.
because we are concentrating on generic problems, so you can message.
Because I don't have blood pressure. It only rises. I'm on a blood pressure pill. It only rises when the water retention increases.
So, yeah, so Mona, for everyone also, you can listen. Whenever we have such kind of situation, we have to see what is the root cause for Mona's case. So, what is the root cause for water retention?
Yeah.
Why the body is not removing excess of water?
Okay.
So there are multiple reasons. The water retention, water canna is a very easy task. But there are deeper meaning why our body is retaining water bags all over in our cells, and why it is not removing water, why it is not detoxification happening, why kidney is not removing excess water automatically. So we have to see the little bit reports also and your kidney function also. What is the issue for that?
Okay.
Monica, thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah,
Yeah,
hi.
sorry. I was just asking whether you could share the today's session because I missed the first half, I guess. By the time I came back.
Yeah, Harpriya recording. I will share the PDF which we discussed, and I will try
Yeah, thank you.
and share the live session also. I will try. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Rinjin.
Yeah, I Hi. just wanted to ask you, what is your recommendation about the not artificial, like the natural sweetener, like stevia as compared to the refined sugar?
So for me, sugar is sugar only. So even stevia, if we are using stevia fresh leaves, then it's fine. But if it is a powdered form, do you have any stevia at your place and you read it how many ingredients it is mentioned apart from stevia? So there must be 10 different chemicals which have mentioned.
Okay. Okay, I got your point. So not the one which is like commercially available. So
Yeah.
like the natural leaves are okay, but not the
Yeah,
processed.
absolutely. Whatever fresh from nature we can get it, that is good for us. So nature has given us, so that's why I'm concentrating. I'm not stopping. Even diabetes also, I don't stop to have fruits because this is natural sugar. Our body needs natural sugar.
Right. Right.
Right. Yeah. Anyone else? Rachna.
Hi. Yeah, hi. I had a couple of questions. One was my bowel movement. Once is when I get up in the morning and go, and one is after breakfast. So is that normal?
No, Mona. I think you didn't attended the intro session. So where I mentioned bowel movement should not be, it should take at least 3 to 4 hours after you eaten. Body, there's a process for everybody should listen. This is a very, very important. This Rachna has take up. Ki how to know is our bowel movement regular or not regular. So for that, we should able to digest the food within 3 4 hours और उसके बाद accretion होना is a good sign. और उससे पहले if your body is excreting the food, that means you have some allergies in your body or you have some unhealthy gut. Gut is not digesting. Gut process is to digest the food, absorb the nutrients, circulate it, and then excrete it. If it is directly you are consuming and it is excreting and it is avoiding बीच के 2 steps उसमें से nutrients absorb करना है उसको convert करना है and then circulate to all the organs, then it means it is directly just you are eating and it is excreting. So this
Okay.
is a good point for everyone if, for having an unhealthy gut. You should not be passing stool immediately after having your food.
Okay. And my second question was the level of pesticides which are there in fruits and vegetables. So how to deal with that?
So, can we come to know about the food and chemicals in our supplements, in our medicines, in our Kellogg's, in our atta? We don't question anything from this thing. We are just questioning from our bread or anything which is packed. We are just questioning on whatever nature has given us. So wash it nicely, keep it half an hour in your salt water and have it. सबसे पहले नेचर की चीज पे क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम कोई भी पैकेट फूड पे नहीं हमारे आटे कैसे आ रहे हैं हमारी ब्रेड कैसी आ रही है हम बाहर इतना खाना खा रहे हैं वी डोंट क्वेश्चन ऑल दिस थिंग वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग वॉट एवर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम नेचर So उसको अच्छे से clean करो use it. This is a I will tell you from my experience from treating 1500 clients. This is just 0.1 problem जो pesticide on your. This is a visible thing which we can see. There are so many invisible chemicals which we ignore day to day. Thousands of chemicals which we are ignoring day to day. I've seen clients are having at least 3 months में एक बारी antibiotic का course कर लेते हैं without realizing what harm they are doing it. They are just on thyroid medications for 15 years without just even thinking it can be reversed. We are having chemicals on chemicals. This pesticides and this on fruits are, it's beyond, we can't grow it, we can't do it. Just clean it properly and eat it with clear thought and intention. That's my intake. Rachna, it's clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
On this bowel movement, one more question that related to
The
this.
last question I'm taking.
Whether it, this morning, if we need to go for 2 to 3 times before the breakfast, like to clear our bowel, is it normal or means we take water and all, then we go like, immediately we go.
रवि जी this is also valid. We are so confused कि कैसे बाउल मूवमेंट हमारा ना जनरली एक बारी में हमारा अच्छे से इवैक्यूएट हो जाना चाहिए स्टूल एंड उसकी स्टूल के टेक्सचर पे पता चलता है कि हाउ गुड इज योर स्टूल समटाइम इट्स वेरी लूज समटाइम इट्स वेरी हार्ड sometimes it's difficult to pass. So these all are signs that this your gut is unhealthy. So if you are spending 2 to 3 times to clear and fully evacuate, so this is unhealthy gut.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to wind up this session. Thank you everyone for taking out time for your health and being present and trusting on this process. And keep on sharing on your group and keep on giving thumbs up. I didn't open the group. I will just open the group for half an hour so you can share your feedback after the session so that we can motivate all the community members. So it's not my own responsibility. It's the community responsibility कि जो हमारे brothers and sisters who joined this program, so they also take the step forward and take care of their health. And you are now responsible for your own well-being and others also. On Saturday, if you still have any questions, I will open the group for few hours. You can ask me questions and we will meet on Monday for next. And till then, stay focused and daily practice these simple, doable exercises.
Sorry, sister, 1 minute. You said how to prepare the alkaline water. You forgot, I think so. Can you please
So it
let
will
me
be
know?
on the group tomorrow. No, I
Okay.
didn't forget. I said ki use and everything fresh, and it will be posted on group tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Let's keep surprises coming. You look forward daily what's coming up daily. I've planned lots. I've really worked hard. For 2 months, I was working hard on this challenge, and I worked on myself, my family, and then I came up with this solution. And I just trust this will help you. And thank you, everyone. God bless you. Good night. Take care.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, sister.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you, sister.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.